So, in high net worth divorces, in evaluating the best interests of the child, the court will apply the same standard used as in non high net worth divorces. Nothing really changes, however, it becomes a more nuanced analysis. High net worth divorces, typically, there's more residences, there's more income streams, and parents tend to have more complicated time and location commitments. For example, a court might evaluate whether there are multiple residences when evaluating what should be the child's primary residence and what parent can better meet those needs of that child. Also, there's typically more expenses that come into play. Private schools, nannies. Will the child's nanny stay with both parents and follow the child during their parenting time? Will there be multiple nannies, and therefore the child support obligations will likely diminish? Whether it's best for the child to remain in the same school or a different school based on any changes in residence of the parents. So these are all factors that the court can consider, but just because one party has more financial success than another or the analysis changes, it becomes a little bit more nuanced and judges have to take a little bit more into consideration. In high net worth cases, the best interest of the child analysis doesn't change. However, its application becomes a little bit more complex. There's more factors for the court to consider. Essentially, the judge will make sure that the child's needs come first. And it's our job to protect your children through developing parenting plans. The judge definitely wants to ensure that the kid's lifestyle isn't too disturbed by a separation or divorce. Good parenting plan would be necessary to ensure that transition isn't too difficult. A parenting plan that includes measures that clearly set out education, coordinates travel calendars, coordinates what primary residence or additional residences that the child will spend significant time in, coordinates nanny schedules, coordinates pickup and drop-offs or how that's to be handled, and to generally ensure that the kids virtually have a similar quality of life as they did before their parent separation. So again, in divorce proceedings, the judge will always hold your child's best interest and the prevention of the disruption of their lifestyle in first regard before considering any practical implications on each parent's ability to pay. So yes, if your child was in private school and had a host of extracurricular activities, if the other parents won't be able to upkeep that without child support, the court will likely award child support in order to make sure that your children's lifestyle is not disrupted. If you are involved in a high net worth divorce and you have any questions as to child support or alimony or creating a parenting plan, please don't hesitate to contact Next Chapter Family Law.